Here's a message for you Queensland drivers. You're all notorious for it. You see these red flashing lights and these bars? It's because that's coming past. And if that's coming past, that means you damn well stop at it. Don't run it. You idiots. Bloody idiots who try and beat trains. This is not fucking Fast and the Furious. Yet another public service announcement from my channel. The funny thing is, I've got my own mission to try and beat that train before it makes the next stop. Ah! Did it beat it? Well, technically I did, because the train's only at the station, but these tracks come down a little bit earlier. Even though you can see the trains over there, that's about 300 metres away, probably close to half a kilometre, and the trains are already down. The lines are already down, so the train will be coming through in a second. You can still see it there with its flashing lights. I thought I'd beat it, even though I think it's a little bit early. Thanks to all the idiots that try and cross train tracks while the lights are flashing and try and dart in between. You know, you're just dicing with death. I mean, I'd rather be, 5 minutes late than dead on time. Or dead on arrival, whichever way you want to look at it. So not just Queensland drivers, everyone. Even if you're in America, you might not have the boom gates, but don't risk it. It's not worth it. There's one of my high school friends. He was a big guy. One of his famous quotes was, "Never fuck with a superior mass." And I can tell you now, a train is a superior mass, so don't fuck with it. Do not fuck with it.